Welcome to this ToolsOnAir Academy episode about using the Blackmagic Design HyperDeck device as backup recording unit in combination with either just in Mac or just in Linux. In this video, we will demonstrate how to trigger start and stop recording commands on Blackmagic Design HyperDeck devices and use them as external backup recording units alongside a standard just in Mac or just in Linux recording. With that said, let's have a look on how to set up this workflow within either just in Mac or just in Linux. To demonstrate this workflow, we will use following Blackmagic Design devices: one Blackmagic Design HyperDeck and an optional Blackmagic Design Atom production switcher in this control application to visualize the control event's actions. First, we must establish a connection to the HyperDeck device by creating an event device. To accomplish this task, open the Just Control configuration panel and switch to the Events tab. Then select the TCP protocol from the device and protocol list, enter the IP address of the target HyperDeck device, and press the Add button. A new window will open, and we need to select Blackmagic HyperDeck named Record from within the presets list. Press the plus button to confirm. This will be our first event device that we will use to start a recording on the HyperDeck and to pass along the file name, so that both the Just-in recording and the HyperDeck recording have the identical file names. This will greatly facilitate the handling in the post-production cycle. Complete this process by pressing the OK button. Double-click on the newly created device to adjust its name where needed. Next, let's create another event device for the same IP address by pressing the Add button again. This time, however, select Blackmagic HyperDeck from within the presets list and press the plus button next to it. In addition to this step, a connection test to the external device can also be performed by selecting the command parameter, checking the value parameter, in our case play, and press the test button to test the connection. The response is OK, which is the expected status, and we can see that the HyperDeck started to play in the background within the Atom software control application. Let's change the value parameter to stop and press the test button again to verify the correct command execution. The HyperDeck will stop playing the selected file. The next step is to create event presets. Switch to the Presets sub-tab to create a new event preset. Enter its name and select the appropriate Blackmagic Design event device, which was defined for the start recording trigger. Finally, press the Add button next to the device list. In this case, no parameters can be changed, as this event will just trigger the recording action on the HyperDeck and sets the specific file name, which originates from the Just-in channel. Press the Finish button to save this event preset. Let's create another event preset. Enter an event name and choose the second HyperDeck event device from the list. Press the Add button and select the stop value so that a recording can be stopped when sending this command. Click on the Finish button again to save this event preset. Finally, go back to the Just Control interface to use your newly created event presets. We are working with the 4-channel setup here, but only the first channel will be used to demonstrate this workflow. In the Events section, select the Rec Start preset to trigger the recording for the HyperDeck and automatic file naming. Also select the Rec Stop preset to stop the recording. Finally, amend the file naming for the Just-in recording in the Naming section of the Just Control interface, according to your naming convention. Let's check the simultaneous recording process. By clicking the Record button, Just-in starts recording and triggers the simultaneous recording on the HyperDeck device, as you can see in the Blackmagic Design Atom software control application. When we stop the recording, we will notice that the file names are identical, which is exactly the result we wanted to achieve. The same workflow process can be used for every Just-in channel you might want to use to start and stop simultaneous recordings on different HyperDeck devices with dedicated event presets. This enables a powerful and easy-to-use main and backup recording workflow process. We hope that this episode has given you a good overview of the versatility of our ingest solutions and invite you to stay tuned for more ToolsOnAir Academy video episodes to follow. For more information about our solutions, please visit our website or contact us by email.